The number one mistake I see new PMs making is suggesting big drastic changes when they just joined the company. But you know what? You're not alone. I have done the same mistake, and so I'm here to tell you what you should do instead. So that mistake is suggesting big drastic changes when you just join the company. When you join the company, of course, you're going to have the fresh eye towards the product, right? You see so many glaring things that you want to jump in and change. But that is the number one mistake, to be suggesting big drastic changes when you just join. The simple reason for that is you have no credibility. Eventually, yes, that is the goal. You want to build you want to have the impact on product, people, process, whatever, the 3 Ps of product management. But in the beginning, when you have no credibility, whatever you suggest kind of does not hold too much value. And so for that reason, here's what you should do instead. Number one thing you should be doing is listening to the pain points. Listen to the pain points of your customers. That's number one. Listen to your customers, see what areas of their product they love and what areas of the product they do not love, right? If you're a B2C company, get hands on the data, extract and learn the data, and try to see if you can get access to the customers. The more closer to you are to the customers, the better information you'll have in hand. Second is you also want to find out what the customers love about your product. What are they liking so you can build on top? But the step one is listening to your customers. Listen as extensively and try to extract as much information you can out of your customers. Second is listen to your teammates. See where there are the bottlenecks in the process, where they might need help of a product manager. Third is listen extensively from your manager. When you try to understand the current bottlenecks in your team, the reason why you were hired or this position, particular product manager position was filled, you'll start to see the first things first is listen and find those bottlenecks and help your manager first. In your first 30 days, you should be finding out where your immediate team needs help. The more you can find some of those quick wins, jump in there, help as much as you can. You start to build that credibility slowly and the trust with your manager and your teammates. Number 2 is using the product. Use and test the API yourself. Get access to Postman or whatever tool your company uses to test the APIs. Get hands on the dataset and test the API yourself. Also test the portal, the UI, go through the full onboarding as your customer would. Number 3 is build a state of the union document that ties the big picture together. If you're a junior PM, then list down all of the features. Remember, we went on a listening spree, listening to our teammates, to our customers, to manager. List down all the features and the things that you saw glaring in the product, and you organize them in a proper way and then share with your manager. And if you are a senior PM, then you should be more strategic in your ideas and tie things more holistically, like product verticals, resources, product gaps you see, talent gaps, features, new ideas, UI related ideas, or technical or data related. Just tie them all together in a very organized way and then present to your team, to your to your manager, and get their feedback.